61A, lecture number 19. Announcements. Project 3 is due on Thursday. Please submit the checkpoint by Monday, and you can earn an early submission bonus point for completing the project by Wednesday. If you want those extra credit points, you got to finish those by Wednesday as well, if you also want the early submission bonus point. Our goal is to have online options for office hours, lab, and discussion next week and going forward throughout the semester until this virus scare dissipates. Obviously, you can already attend lecture online, and then it will be up to you to decide what you want to go to live and what you want to go to remotely. If you have any doubt about whether you might be sick, then I would recommend that you choose the remote option. And we will try very hard to make sure that you don't have a degraded course experience using these online tools. But since we're kind of making this up as we go along, you should expect that there will probably be some hiccups along the way. When that happens, you can always send me feedback and let me know that something didn't work.